Welcome! If you've ever wanted to block comments from specific people on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the latest steps to take control of your comment section and keep your Instagram experience positive and stress-free. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage your comments. Next, tap your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you'll see all your posts and stories. Now, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to open up the main menu with more options. Scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled Comments. Tap on Comments to access your comment controls. Inside the Comments settings, you'll see an option called Block Comments From. Tap on this to start blocking specific people from commenting on your posts. You'll now see a search bar at the top. Type in the username of the person or people you want to block from commenting. As you type, Instagram will show you matching accounts. When you find the person you want to block, simply tap their name to add them to your block list. You can repeat this process for as many people as you'd like. There's no limit. Once someone is added to your block list, they'll still be able to leave comments on your posts. But here's the key. Their comments will only be visible to them. No one else, including you and your followers, will see those comments. Instagram won't notify them that they've been blocked, so it all happens quietly and discreetly. If you ever change your mind and want to allow someone to comment again, just return to the same block comments from section and remove them from the list. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily block comments from specific people on Instagram and enjoy a more positive, controlled social media experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take charge of your online space.